In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Planner and Planner Premium effectively in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To get started, log into your Microsoft 365 account, your gateway to all of Microsoft's productivity tools. Once you're in, navigate to Planner from your dashboard and click the Planner icon to open it. Now, let's create a new plan. Whether you're organizing a small work project or managing a major event, having a structured plan is essential. You can choose between a basic plan or a premium plan, depending on your needs. A basic plan includes all the essential tools to get started, while Planner Premium unlocks advanced capabilities designed for more complex project management. Microsoft Planner also offers a range of templates to help you get started quickly. Templates save time and effort by giving you a ready-made structure that you can customize to fit your project. Each one is designed with different project types in mind, making setup smooth and efficient. If you're using Planner Premium, there are several standout features worth exploring. One of the most useful is the timeline view, which lets you see your project tasks in a Gantt chart format. This gives you a clear visual of your project's progress and helps you manage deadlines more effectively. Another premium feature is task dependencies. This allows you to define how one task completion affects others, keeping your plan interconnected and automatically adjusted as changes occur. You can also set goals within Planner Premium, helping you establish clear targets and monitor progress as you move toward completion. Assigning tasks to team members and tracking their progress is simple, ensuring everyone stays aligned and productive. One of the most powerful additions to Planner Premium is Microsoft 365 Copilot. This AI-powered assistant can generate plans automatically, set goals, track status updates, and even suggest ways to optimize your workflow, saving you both time and effort. If you start with a basic plan but later want to access premium features, converting is seamless. Just open your existing plan, click Timeline View, confirm the prompt, and select Yes, Convert Now. Understanding the key differences between basic and premium plans will help you decide which is right for you. Premium adds advanced tools like Timeline View, task dependencies, goal tracking, and Copilot integration, all designed to enhance efficiency and make project management more powerful and intuitive. With these tools and steps, you're now fully equipped to navigate the new Microsoft Planner and make the most out of Planner Premium to boost productivity and streamline your workflow.